Meet Ray. For 2 years, almost every night, he did the exact same things you've probably been doing. He read the books, he listened to the podcasts, he watched self-improvement videos, motivational speeches, business videos, hundreds of hours of it. He knew all the big ideas. He could explain profit margins, marketing funnels, negotiation tactics, discipline, mindset better than people who actually lived it. Then one night, his car died on the side of the road. He had exactly $340 to his name. The tow truck alone would cost $200 of it. So Ray did something he'd never done before. He opened the hood himself, pulled out his phone, and tried to fix it. 3 hours, one busted alternator, a laptop, a wrench, in pure panic. And in those 3 hours, fixing a car he knew nothing about, Ray learned more than he had in 2 entire years of consuming all of that content. Here's the part that should scare you a little. All that time Ray spent reading, watching, and listening, none of it was real to him. It looked like knowledge. It sounded like knowledge. But the moment real life actually needed it, it wasn't there. I call this ghost knowledge. Information that lives in your head but has no weight, no body, no use in the real world. It looks exactly like real knowledge from the outside. You can talk about it, quote it, sound smart explaining it, but the second life actually tests it, it passes straight through you because it was never really there. Almost everyone watching this has a head full of ghost knowledge right now. Videos you watched, books you finished, podcasts you nodded along to, and if life needed you to actually use any of it today, most of it wouldn't show up. That's not because you're forgetful. It's because of one rule nobody ever taught you. Knowledge only becomes real the moment you use it. Until then, it's just a ghost. So here's exactly how you turn ghost knowledge into something real. 6 steps. Step 1. Pick one small, real thing to do, not 10 things. 1. Build a real budget for this month's money. Write 1 paragraph and actually post it somewhere. Small enough to finish this week. Real enough that it can't stay a ghost. Step 2. Only learn when you hit a wall. This is exactly what saved Ray. He didn't study engines for a month first. He opened the hood, got stuck, and searched for the one exact answer he needed in that moment. Start your task first. Let the wall itself tell you what to learn. Step 3. Use it within 48 hours, or lose it. Whatever you just learned, use it in real life within 2 days. Wait longer, and it turns back into a ghost, gone, whether you meant to keep it or not. Step 4. Say it out loud, simply, like you're teaching a child. If you stumble, if you can't explain it in easy words, that's a ghost hiding in your understanding. Go back, relearn that one piece, and explain it again. Step 5. Write your own thinking in one notebook, not notes copied from a video. Your own confusion, your own ideas, in your own words. This becomes proof later that you're not carrying ghosts anymore. You're carrying something real. Step 6. Do a small amount every single day. 15 minutes daily beats 3 hours once a month. Ghosts get created in big lazy binges. Real knowledge gets built in small daily payments.